Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. In the previous tutorial we discussed about the backward, forward, left and right methods, right? And in this tutorial we will see how to draw a square shape. So for that first we need to import the turtle module. I'll create a turtle object. So here we can see the turtle. So now I want to draw square shape. Okay, so this is the square shape, right? So if I think here this is the home position where the turtle is present, then we need to draw square like this. So we are here. If I take this distance as 100 pixel, then first I need to forward the turtle to 100 pixel, right? So the first thing is t dot forward 100. Okay, done. Next we need to go to the upwards and we need to draw 100 pixel line. So to go upwards we need to use the left or right. So here I need to use left method because here we can see turtle is facing towards the east. Okay, so I need to go to the upwards. So now I need to mention the degree. How many degrees? For square we know it is 90 degree, right? Here it is 90 degree. So here I need to mention 90. Okay, now we can see turtle is pointing towards the left. So I want to forward 100 pixel. Okay, right? Now I want to draw this line. Okay, forward 100 pixel. I want to change the face of the turtle. So again I want to go to left by 90 degree, right? So here I'll mention t left 90 degree. Now it is pointing towards the left. So again I'll write forward 100. Alright, now we want to draw this line. Okay, 100 pixel, and again we want to change the angle of the turtle. So I'll again take t left by 90 degree. Now you can see it is pointing towards the left. Okay, so now I need to forward by 100 pixel, right? Okay, we got the square shape, right? So this is the code to draw the square shape, but here we can see this forward left forward left forward left is repeating, right? So instead of writing like this we can use loop and we can do this easily, right? So to show that, what I'll do is I'll close this, I'll open a new file. Okay, so in this file first I'll do the thing turtle t turtle dot turtle. If you write in the file, then if you want to change anything we can change it easily, right? So next what I'll do, I'll take for loop I in range. So I'll take 4. Why 4? Because square has 4 sides, right? So I'll take 4. Next I just mention forward 100 pixel. If you want you can change the distance. Okay, t dot left 90 degree. Alright, so that's it. So if I save this and run this, here I can see, yes, we got this square, right? Here we can see turtle also, but I don't want to see this turtle. I just want square shape, that's it. So we can do that. We can hide this turtle also. Okay, so how to do that? So here outside the for loop t dot hide turtle. Okay, now if I run this program, here we can see and turtle is gone, right? If you want to hide the turtle from the beginning itself, then you can place this here also, okay? So what is the difference? Here we can see we can't see turtle. Okay, so we can hide the turtle, but I want to do it at last, so I'll place it at last. Okay, all right. So next we can see this speed of the turtle moving, right? It is slow. I want to make it fast. Then I can do that by using speed. Okay, here I can mention how much speed I need. Okay, so if you go for 0, it is the fastest. Okay, so look. Alright, so if you want to know more about this speed, so you just go to turtle. You just need to do one thing, that is help turtle dot speed. Alright, return or the set the turtle speed. Okay, so fastest is 0, fast is 10, normal is 6, slow is 3, slowest is 1. Okay, so if I set it to 1, it will be slowest, it seems. I'll check. Yeah, look at this. Yes. Okay, so we can adjust the speed also. Okay, next in our turtle we can see it is blank, right? I want to fill some color to this. So for that I can use begin fill and end fill. Okay, so before drawing the shape, we need to take begin fill. From where we need to begin, right? So alright, so next after the drawing is done, here I'll take end fill. Okay, stop filling. So if I save this and run this now, okay, speed is 1, that's why it is moving so slow. Okay, now it is filled with the black. By default, the filling color is black. So if you don't want black, then you can change the color, right? So here, after begin fill, you need to write fill color. And here, you can write any color. I'll go for red. Yes. Yeah. This is red. So we can hide the turtle, we can fill the color to the shape, as well as we can control the speed of the turtle. So next, I'll remove this. Okay, next what I'll do is I will set the background color, okay, so that it will look good. Right, PG color, I'll go for black. Okay, so if I save this and run this now, so we can't see the turtle while moving because background color is also black and the turtle color is also black, that's why. Okay, so if you want, you can change the turtle color to white so that you can see the turtle moving. Look. Okay, so this is about the drawing the square shape, filling the color, hiding the turtle, and changing the speed of the turtle. Alright, okay, so that's it for now. In the next tutorial we'll discuss more about the turtle graphics. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.